Hey folks, this is Carla Parvin. I've just spent 2 hours in class with Martin Brossman. Excellent use of my time. He just opened my eyes to a bunch of stuff. I'm 71 years old, so all of this stuff is new and Greek to me. It's a great introduction, gets me started. One of his ideas was to show the recovery from Helene because we are home builders. Our business is to build better, build modular. And if we can help folks understand the transformation that's happening out here in Western North Carolina and tell that story and tell it well, it's a great idea. Great way to do it. Carla Parvin with To Build Better, Build Modular.
The social media marketing class with Martin Brossman, and it was a wonderful synopsis of different elements that you could use to make actionable steps toward reaching prospective clients in a meaningful way that's helpful to them, not pushy, and something that they would want to learn about so that you can help someone and also introduce yourself to the world. I am a doctor of physical therapy. I have a mobile physical therapy practice, help people to move through life with greater ease and less pain. I am reachable at betterptandwellness.com.
I was in Martin Brosnan's class on using social media to advance your business. I am trying to promote a book, and there were all kinds of really pro tips that I would recommend this for anybody that is interested in getting their business jump started. And my book is called Hankies and Blankies, and it is a collection of stories of God's sweetness to his people.